baseball canopy's not lit up. Maybe that lighting on at all. Strange. Would have thought it had been lit up, but maybe that some maintenance guys are coming to lock up the bathroom now. I don't know how else they would be down here. If that is the case. Go back this way a little bit. Then they shut this down here. Not really quite as exciting as I hoped it would be. Down here. If I got down here a little bit earlier, I would have got more of the action, but didn't quite get on top of it there. I'm going to cut this short here. And then maybe I'll hang for a minute, see how the storm is progressing any. Whatnot.
Where AZ88 is?
Yes, ma'am. AZ88, where you see straight ahead there?
Is that way?
Yeah, we see those string lights? Almost just directly there.
I appreciate it.
Sure. Some lady looking for AZ88. Didn't really look like much was going on there, but they're probably still open on the inside anyway. Anyway.